Imagine a day without a single rupee in your hand. It would be very difficult for us to spend that day. This is the reason why financial literacy and money management is very important. If you are the person who is keen towards managing your own finance without depending on financial expert, then this video will really help you to know how to manage your own finance by following simple steps. And towards the end, I shared tips that can help you. So do watch the whole video. Hey guys, welcome to Financicator, the place where we spread financial gyan. In India especially, it is assumed that if a person is literate, they automatically are financially literate. Unfortunately, that is not the case. Many adults who earn do not know how to spend their resources efficiently. It is essential to understand how to spend to maintain stability in long run. Financial literacy enables individuals to better their decision-making skills. It also helps in reducing stress and anxiety caused by uncertainty. Let us begin with some of the words that can help you to manage your finance efficiently. The first one is financial planning. Financial planning is a necessary skill to have in the current times. A financial plan acts as a guide as you go through life's journey. Essentially, it helps you to be in control of your income, expenses, and investment such that you can manage your money and achieve your goals. Setting short-term goals, long-term goals, and an emergency corpus in times of need help allocate funds in a structured manner, decreasing stress in unforeseen and unfortunate circumstances. An efficient financial plan can provide stability in the long run. Based on the stages of life, different permutations and combinations of savings and investment can help secure a retirement fund, child's higher education, marriage, owning a house, and other important life events. To be more precise, risk-averse people can invest in fixed deposits with banks that offer higher interest rates, or debt funds, or invest in high-interest savings account. For people with high risk tolerance, invest in equities. On the other hand, setting up financial objectives and goals can also help one understand how to manage their expenses accordingly. Thus, setting a habit of keeping a check on expenditure. Financial objective is a goal that business set for success and growth. This practice can reduce unnecessary spending. It also provides clarity on how you prioritize your financial goal, which will help optimize your budget in a way that suits your needs with maximum efficiency. Here are simple steps that can help you set a financial objective or goal. You need to start by preparing a budget. Second is pay off credit card debts. Third is saving an emergency fund. And save for retirement as well. And last and most important thing, set short-term and long-term financial goals. It is not difficult to become financially literate, and it is never too late to start. People can learn financial literacy from young age as well. Involving them in day-to-day household expenses can imbibe the value of money. Giving pocket money on weekly or a monthly basis can demonstrate the importance of budgeting. For adults, it is advisable to begin by referring to different resources, exploring topics like money management, savings, and investing for short-term and long-term needs. Besides these, it is also essential to take care of things such as the effective use of credit cards. It is worth exploring financial instruments as different instruments cater to various long-term and short-term financial goals.